It's your girl Didi, and I'm going to go live on Facebook right now. So I have my thing set up, and I'm going to make a banana ice cream. So I'm going to look down below because that's where my Facebook phone live is going to be. So again, you guys are behind the scenes, so I hope that you guys tried and liked it, my another live videos. So I'm going to be using banana, and we're going to make some banana ice cream. It's going to be yummy. So let's get to it. I'm gonna go live on Facebook now. Hi guys, what's up? It's your girl Didi, and it's officially Monday. So I hope you guys have an awesome week, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Today's actually my dad's birthday, so happy birthday, Dad, if you are watching at any point. So we're back for another kitchen madness video, and today I'm jumping on earlier because again it's my dad's birthday, so we're gonna do a lunch meal together, and I want to jump on quick before we do that. Hi Natasha, how are you? So, if you guys didn't already know, I come on every Monday. Hi Tony, I'm reading the comments as I go along. And we do a Kitchen Madness live video together. So I do have my 2 booklets out and available. They are on Amazon. And if you're in Trinidad, you can get a hard copy. You just have to contact me. I have my business number out. So we're going to use the chocolate recipe booklet, and we're going to make something absolutely delicious. I know that you guys can guess that, obviously, because that's all I make, right? Hi, Royal. How are you doing? So I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Please wear a mask whenever you go out. Sanitize as much as possible because of COVID. Things are crazy out there, so please be safe wherever you are. And I hope that you guys like chocolate, because we're gonna make a chocolate banana ice cream. I don't know if you guys like bananas, but if you like bananas and if you like chocolate, you're definitely going to like this recipe. Hi James, how are you? I'm just gonna look for the, ooh, there we go, number 10. So if you have my booklet, then it should be on page 10 of this. Yep, we're gonna make it. So all you need is basically your fruit, chocolate ice cream. You could add milk if you want to, it's optional, but I'm just gonna, what I did was I pre-cut and froze my banana. So right now it's kind of melted away, but we're just gonna blend it basically with some cocoa powder, honey, and essence, and that will definitely make it a yummy, rich sort of mixture. And you can add how much ever bananas you want based on how much persons you are serving. Just looking at the comments as we go along. Great. So if you guys ever need help with any advice, you guys know I'm a dietitian, nutritionist, and I do have my nutrition consultancy. Hi Natasha, I'll link them in the description, but this one is 50 guiltless chocolate recipes, which is only chocolate recipes, and this one is a simple, quick, and easy that has healthy snacks, breakfast, lunch, and dinner options. Hi Anand. So let's get straight into it, shall we? So I already have my pre-cut and frozen banana. All I did was slice it up. This is that simple, and I'm just gonna empty it into here. Go. In. All of it. Okay, we have like one little stuck one. So I hope you guys having an awesome day. Remember, please like and share so that I could get a reach for persons who want to improve their health and wellness, because that's what I'm all about. I'm all about helping you guys to overcome whatever health issues you have. That's a bit noise. Whatever health issues you have through lifestyle changes. No pills, no products, no supplements, no restrictive diets. It's all about creating a happier, healthier version of yourself through healthy habits. So if you need help with your weight, if you need help with your chronic disease management, if you're diabetic, hypertensive, high blood pressure, which is hypertension, high cholesterol levels, heart disease, stuff like that. I can help you overcome them and manage them with your lifestyle, because health is wealth. What you're gonna do without health? You really can't do anything. You really can't. Hi Bidesh, I didn't even start yet. Okay, so you have your sliced banana that's pre-frozen, and I'm just gonna add some cocoa powder. So yummy. I'm sorry, I'm like a real chocolate lover, so you know I gotta do what I gotta do. And now I'm gonna add some essence into that. Just a tiny bit of essence. This is vanilla essence. Whoop-de-doo. And of course you want to make sure and add some honey as well, because without honey, well, I guess the banana will be sweet. It really depends on you know, the sweetness of the banana. So it's optional if you want to add honey to this mix, but again, I love it. So if you have a really, really ripe banana, you may not need the honey. Let's blend it now. Sorry about the noise, but here we go. Oh, you guys can see. Oh. That looks, shall we? Hi Junior. Yeah, well, you could always message me. I have my business number out and available. Look at that. Oh, don't want it to fall. So sometimes because I took it out a little before time when I was trying to prep, it got a little soft. So what you can do is just put it back in the freezer and let it freeze a little bit longer, and it will just turn into ice cream. It will be so soft and wonderful. And this is just a healthy ice cream that you could have instead of, you know, the really sugary sort of ice creams that are out there. If you ever tried fruit ice creams, this is definitely the one that is a fave of mine. Oh my gosh. So just let me just show you guys what it looks like. And if you want for, you know, to make it look a little better, you could do some slices of banana and just like layer it on the bowl. But what I want to do is freeze it for a little while so that it will get a little bit harder. Because it honestly depends on the consistency that you guys like. But I want it a bit harder so that, you know, it's more of an ice cream sort of consistency. Oh gosh, this tastes so good though. Wow. You guys have to try it. Let me know if it works out. And if you want, you can make a huge tub and just keep it in the freezer. I'll use regular cocoa powder. Sorry, just looking back at the comments. Ashley, regular cocoa powder. Anyone wishes that was your favorite. I love it. Dark chocolatey. So Junior, you could WhatsApp me. Let me just look back at the comments. And if you guys have any questions, you know, you could always message me or contact me, and I could give you a free 15-minute consultation. If you're interested in any of my programs, any of my services, remember to like and share. If you know anyone who might be interested in getting health advice or who needs health advice from a healthcare professional, my services are insurance covered with my nutrition consultancy and my nutrition programs. So you could definitely get that if you do have health insurance and medical insurance usually. Hi Watson, how are you? Oh my god, this chocolate ice cream is delicious. So this is even really good for persons who have uncontrolled blood sugar levels, or if you just want to try something new, you know, because it's delicious. It's absolutely delicious. And if you're interested in advertising on any of my channels, you could always contact me as well. Any small businesses, I could share information on my live videos as well as my page, and use your products as you wish. So message me if you're interested in that. And if you're interested in my consultancy, I will help you achieve your health goal purely through lifestyle changes and without any gimmicks. You guys are being brainwashed to try all these products and supplements and all these crazy things that really don't have any good impact on your life. It really doesn't have a good impact on your life, and it really doesn't make sense in the long run. If you're looking at the quality of your life and trying to improve the quality of your life, lifestyle changes are the way to go. So you can think of me as your wellness manager, like your health coach sort of situation. Yeah, I can help you get to your health goal through lifestyle changes, for sure. And I've been helping quite a lot of persons, so I really hope that the word spreads around about my consultancy. So again, if you're interested, message me. If you want me to advertise for your products, message me. I'll send you information, because right now I am taking products in return for payment depending on your business, and we could always network in different ways if you're interested in that. So be safe, guys, out there. Really be safe with COVID right now. Try to wear a mask, sanitize as much as possible, and health as well. So take care of your health. The quality of your life matters, and your life matters, and it's never too late to start making healthy lifestyle changes. Never. So this was just a simple, quick and easy ice cream that you could put together with a few simple ingredients. It just took less than 5 minutes, literally. Let me just go and check on it in the freezer and see how it looks. It took less than 5 minutes. It's still kind of crispy. And you guys can enjoy it after it's a bit frozen and you get that consistency that you like. Hi, Surabali. Hopefully I'm saying these names right. Hi, Mindy. How are you guys doing? Sasha. These are my 2 cookbooks. So if you're interested, again, message me. Simple Quick and Easy and the chocolate recipes, and they're on Amazon. So I'll put all the links in the description. And I would like to launch my website this week. So I hope that you guys look out for it, because officially it will give you access to my booklets, all of my services, and everything that I am trying to promote, which is health and wellness through lifestyle changes. So have a fantastic day, guys, and I'm just going to, enjoy my chocolate ice cream recipe meanwhile, and celebrate with that, because it's his birthday. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Try it, let me know if you liked it, and I'll see you next time, because every week coming on to do kitchen manners. So if you want, you can request, comment down below what exactly you want me to prepare, and we'll see how it goes. Nicolette, oh, you're so sweet. DJ Karib, how are you doing? Hi. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Again, reach out to me, like, share, let everybody know that my consultancy is running, and I'm going to launch my website this week. So I hope that you guys are not scared of, reaching out to me and letting me help you with your health goals, because health is wealth, and you can't live without health. So bye. Remember, eat healthy, stay healthy, be happy, and thanks for joining me. Enjoy the rest of your day. Oh, I forgot you guys are there. Okay, thanks again for joining me, and bye. I'll link everything in the description anyway.